Sharp dishwashers are reliable appliances, but like all modern electronics, they sometimes encounter issues that require a reset to resolve. Understanding the different types of resets available can help you quickly troubleshoot problems without waiting for a service technician. Modern Sharp dishwashers, including smart models with Wi-Fi connectivity and touch panel controls, may need resets to clear minor glitches, temporary errors, or persistent error codes that prevent normal operation. There are three main types of resets you can perform on Sharp dishwashers. Each serves a different purpose and has varying levels of complexity and effectiveness. The soft reset is the most common and easiest method. You simply press and hold the start or reset button for 3 to 5 seconds until the control panel lights flash and return to normal. This method resolves 70 to 80% of common dishwasher issues. The hard reset, also called a factory reset, returns the dishwasher to its original settings. This typically involves unplugging the unit for 5 to 10 minutes or using specific button combinations depending on your model. The circuit breaker reset addresses electrical issues and should only be performed by qualified individuals. This involves turning off the circuit breaker for 15 minutes before restoring power to the dishwasher. Understanding these reset procedures can save you significant time and money. Proper reset techniques resolve about 75% of dishwasher issues without requiring a professional service call, potentially saving you $150 to $300 per incident. Before attempting any reset procedure, you must perform 3 essential checks to ensure safety and effectiveness. The soft reset is your first line of defense against dishwasher issues. This simple procedure resolves approximately 78% of minor problems. If the soft reset doesn't resolve the issue, proceed to a hard reset. This returns the dishwasher to factory settings and resolves 65% of major software glitches. Circuit breaker reset should only be used as a last resort for electrical issues. This procedure requires caution and should be performed by qualified individuals. Sharp dishwashers display specific error codes that indicate different types of problems. Understanding these codes helps determine the appropriate reset procedure. Follow this specific sequence when troubleshooting your dishwasher. This progressive approach resolves 85% of all resettable problems when followed correctly. If problems persist after attempting all reset procedures, it's time to contact professional service. Approximately 15% of dishwasher issues require expert diagnosis and repair.